I discovered 15 applications that you can use to make easy money on your phone every day. And by combining all or even just parts of these apps, you can easily help pay for life's bills and potentially even more. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'm going to give you 15 apps that will pay you daily within 24 hours. Let's now get going. Number 15, Miles. Wouldn't it be amazing if you got paid to walk, drive, ride a bike, take the bus, or ride anything? That is the entire premise of the Miles app. Just download the app, register, turn on location services, set it to always, and then set it and forget it. The app will automatically track your miles, which you can then redeem for gift cards and other forms of prizes. The amount of money you can make on this app is entirely dependent on how frequently you move around. Number 14, Peer to Profit. You are not required to do anything here. Simply install the app on your phone or computer, and the app will literally pay you money every month just for having it installed on your device. That sounds a little suspicious, right? Well, what the app is doing is selling all of your unused internet power to advertisers, internet companies, and marketing agencies. And these companies will then use this data to analyze competitors, validate ads, and gain market insight. Number 13, Observa. This is an app that allows you to earn money through PayPal by simply taking pictures and answering a few questions with your phone. Essentially, what you're doing is auditing brand marketing at stores such as Walmart, Target, gas stations, and other locations, and you're following the app's instructions. In addition, the app will occasionally feature secret shopper possibilities for you to go eat or shop somewhere and get paid to do so as a secret shopper. Number 12, Social Good. The Social Good app is an innovative and ambitious global project based on blockchain technology. It allows you to earn up to 100% Bitcoin cash back by purchasing at over 1,800 of your favorite online sites such as eBay, Home Depot, AliExpress, and Walmart. If you made that purchase through the Social Good app, you would earn up to 1,000 SG rewards, which you could then exchange for crypto. You would also earn up to 15% interest on staking rewards on all the SG you hold. Or you could exchange SG for other major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and USD Tether because SG is listed on major exchanges. Number 11, OneQ. Basically, you install the app, and the app will offer you extremely brief questions to answer that pay anything from 25 cents to over $3 per question. What makes this app unique is that they pay you immediately after you answer a survey question via PayPal. There are no minimum withdrawal limitations, so you can get paid right away for every survey you complete. Number 10, Amazon Shopper Panel. Amazon offers an app for making quick money on your phone. The app is called Amazon Shopper Panel, and it allows you to earn monthly rewards by sharing receipts from purchases made outside of Amazon.com, completing short surveys, and enabling ad sharing. All you have to do is upload 10 eligible receipts into the app every month, and you'll earn $10 towards your Amazon balance, which you can then use to shop on Amazon.com. Thus, at the very least, you should expect to make at least $10 every month using this app. And if you do other things like take surveys or participate in ad sharing, you may expect to earn even more. Number 9, Eureka. Eureka is an app that allows you to take short surveys and receive instant cash payouts for those surveys. The app has over 252,000 reviews, with the vast majority of those being 5 stars, indicating that, unlike many other survey apps on the market, this one is actually worth it. There are 3 different ways to make money with Eureka. You can also earn money by participating in daily pools. Number 8, Webull. This is an investing app that allows you to invest in the stock market and generate passive income through stock dividends and free stocks for opening an account. Additionally, now that you've loaded the app, it's a fantastic time to think about investing for the future. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 7, Mobi. What if you could monetize your Starbucks visits? With the secret shopping app Mobi, you can earn rewards by providing comments on the stores and restaurants that you frequently visit or dine at. Basically, the app will ask you various questions about the business that you're in, and once you submit your answers, you'll be rewarded for your efforts. You can expect to earn between $5 and $10 on average for each mission that you complete. And these missions are typically very simple to complete and can be completed in a matter of minutes. Number 6, Global Adventures. This is a website that pays you up to $100 for walking, bicycling, or droning around your city and filming the landscape. To submit a video, go to the Global Adventure site, then upload a video and answer the following questions regarding the video you intend to submit. It's worth noting that there are a few standards that must be satisfied if you want your movies to be approved and compensated. For the most part, these are basic things like no profanity in the videos, and the videos must be of excellent quality for them to be accepted. You can make up to 100 for each video you upload. Number 5. HireCar. It is a platform that allows you to rent out your car to drivers and gig workers to earn easy passive income on a consistent basis. As you can see, a lot of people want to be able to work for themselves right now, set their own schedules, take vacations, and be their own boss, thanks to the ever-growing gig economy. Your car is covered by a $1 million liability insurance policy, and according to rental car estimates, you may expect to make up to $720 each month renting out your car. Number 4. Misplay. This is an app that allows you to discover new games and earn points for playing them. You can then redeem your points for Amazon gift cards, prepaid Visa cards, and a variety of other items. Unfortunately, this is the first and only app on this list that is only available for Android devices on the Google Play Store. But I found another great alternative called Prizes by Game for iPhone. Like Misplay, you can play games and make real money with this app. Number 3. MindSwarm. I've seen that MindSwarm pays out more money than most survey applications. The lowest reward for one study on this app is $10, with many studies earning up to $50 per study. It allows you to apply for studies, record quick 40 to 60 second video responses, and then be paid. Enter a quiet location, record your brief 40 to 60 second response, and then send it. So, depending on the number of questions in the study, all studies will pay you between $10 and $50. Number 2. Pinata. Wouldn't it be great if you could get prizes, save money, and even build credit simply by paying your rent on time? All of this is achievable with Pinata because you are using the Pinata app. You receive fantastic rewards simply for confirming your on-time rent payments. It allows you to save money on everyday expenses in their deals marketplace, and you can opt in to have your rent payments recorded to all major credit agencies every month. You may anticipate earning roughly $20 in Pinata cash, which you can then redeem for gift cards and incentives. This is essentially free money because you have to pay rent anyhow. Number 1. Make money. After you sign up for an account and log in, you can start doing things like surveys, giving feedback, testing services, and even playing games. Most games will tell you exactly how to get points from them. This is true software that actually works, as seen by close to 500,000 reviews and an almost perfect 5-star rating, indicating that this app has something to offer. So, if you want to make money, download the app and make money. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe.